Hello everyone, welcome in the module Projection of Lines. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw the projection of line when the line is inclined to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. A line AB is 75 mm long. The end A is 50 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. The end B is 15 mm in front of VP. Top view of line AB is 50 mm long. Find out front view length, and true inclination. So in this problem, the true length of the line and top view length of the line is given. For plotting the locus, the end A is 50 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. The end B is 15 mm in front of VP. So for plotting locus, three different dimensions are given. Two dimensions are related to point A and one is related to point B. First, we will note down the given data. A line AB is 75 mm long. It means true length of the line is given. So TL is equal to 75 mm. The end A is 50 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. So for point A, in front of VP and above HP dimensions are given. So point A is 50 mm in front of VP and 15 mm above HP. For point B also, for plotting the locus, the dimension is given. The point B is 15 mm in front of VP. Then the top view of line AB is 50 mm long is given. So top view of line AB means the plan length of line is given, that is 50 mm. With this data, we have to draw the projection of line AB. For drawing the projection of line, at first we have to draw the XY line. Then we will plot the point A in front view as well as in the top view. Above XY line, vertical plane is visible, and in the vertical plane, front view is visible. Below XY line, the horizontal plane is visible. In the horizontal plane, the top view is visible. Now for plotting the position of point A, first we have to mark a point on the XY line. Through that point, draw a projection line which is perpendicular to the XY. On this line, we have to plot the point A and A dash in the top view and front view respectively. The point A is 50 mm in front of VP. It means it is visible below XY axis. So below XY axis on the projection line, you have to mark a point. Then the point A is 15 mm above HP. So above XY line at distance 15 mm, we have to mark another point, that is A dash. Give the nomenclature as A dash and A. Through these points, we have to draw a projection line which will represent the locus of that point. These locus should be parallel to the XY line. Give the nomenclature to that locus as a locus of point A and locus of point A dash. Then the position of point B for drawing the locus is given, that is 15 mm in front of vertical plane. So this dimension is visible below XY line. So on the same vertical projection line at 15 mm, mark a point, and through that point draw a line parallel to the XY line, which will be acting as a locus of point B in the top view. So give the nomenclature to that line as a locus of point B. Then the true length of the line is given, as well as the top view, means plan length of the line is given. So true length of line is 75 mm and plan length of the line is 50 mm. So first we will mark the true length of the line. For marking the true length of the line, take the distance 75 mm, that is true length, in your compass. Keep your compass at point A and mark the point on the locus of point B. Give the nomenclature to that point as a B2. Then join this A to B2, which is true length of this line. This AB2 is true length of the line, TL. Angle made by this line with the horizontal line is denoted by angle phi. After this, we will plot the plan length of the line. For marking the plan length of the line, take the distance 50 mm, that is plan length, in your compass. Keep your compass at point A and mark the point on the locus of B. Give the nomenclature to that point as a point B. Draw a line joining point A and point B. This AB is plan length of the line, which is top view of the line. After this, we have to draw the front view of the line. For drawing the front view of the line, there are two procedures. Any one we can adopt. First method is by drawing the end projector and by using true length. So the end projector which passes through point A is available. Draw a line which passes through point B and perpendicular to the XY. That should be a projector line. That is called as a projector of point B. Then project this true length till it meets with the locus of point A dash. Particular distance on the locus of point A dash is elevation length, and by rotating the elevation length till it meets with the projector of point B, you can easily draw the elevation length, and then you can easily plot the true length. The another methodology is to take the distance is equal to plan length in your compass. Keep your compass at point A and rotate that point B till it meets with the locus of point A. Give the nomenclature to that point as a point B1. Then draw a line which is perpendicular to the XY line, and it should start from point B1. It is a projection line. On this projection line, we have to mark the true length of the line, which is equal to 75 mm. Take the distance 75 mm in your compass. Keep your compass at point A dash and mark the point on the vertical projection line which passes through point B1. Give the nomenclature to that point as a B1 dash. Draw a locus point B dash in the front view. Join this A dash to B1 dash, which is equal to the true length of the line. This A dash to B1 dash is true length of the line. Angle made by that line is called as theta. Then for marking the elevation length, we have to project the B2 point on the locus of A dash. For that, draw a line perpendicular to the xy from B2. That line meets locus of A dash at B2 dash. This A dash to B2 dash is called as a elevation length. For plotting the front view of the line, take the distance A dash to B2 dash in your compass. Keep your compass at A dash and rotate this B2 dash point till it meets with the locus of B dash. Mark the point on the locus of B dash as a point B dash. Join this A dash B dash, which is equal to the elevation length of the given line. B dash is elevation length of the line, which is front view of the line. The angle made by this front view with the horizontal line is called as alpha angle, and angle made by this top view with the horizontal line is called as beta angle. Then we have to give the dimensions. For giving the dimensions, we have to show the dimension for locus of A dash, locus of B, and locus of point A. That was given. Locus of A dash is at 15 mm, locus of B is at 15 mm, locus of point A is at 50 mm. After that, we have to write down the answers. So these are the answers for the given question. This completes our projection of line.